What are peptides? So peptides are small chains of amino acids or chemical messengers that work with our own body systems. Your body naturally makes peptides, but production can decline with age and be impacted by stress, by diet, illness, or physical demand. That's when some people consider peptide therapy as a way to supplement what the body's already doing. Peptides are amazing because they can do so many things. In my experience, I've used peptides to help with skin health and anti-aging, help boost collagen, reduce wrinkles, and support repair, energy and recovery, improving stamina, metabolism, and cellular repair, immune defense, supporting balance in how the body responds in infection and inflammation, weight management, promoting fat breakdown while helping preserve a lean muscle, cognitive function, supporting clarity, focus, and restorative sleep, libido, targeting pathways in the brain tied to arousal and satisfaction. So what are the next steps for you at Hydration Room regarding peptides, getting the right plan that works well for you? We have nurse practitioners that will meet with you, do a free consultation, go through your medical history, and pick a plan that's best for your wellness goals and to help you along your wellness journey.